Welcome back. Today I'd like to talk about that situation when life gets in the way of your workshop plan. As a facilitator, have you ever been in a session where suddenly something comes up? A participant brings up a topic that is big and important and has the potential to completely derail the agenda and the approach that you put together? I know I have, and it can be very disconcerting. I learned an elegant way to address this challenge from a good friend and fellow certified master facilitator, Cheryl Maurer. And with her permission, I want to share it with you today. Cheryl's approach involves asking 3 questions in turn to confirm if you should change the arc of your workshop or not. The first question is this: who else feels that we need to have this conversation today? If only 1 or 2 participants do, this may be the wrong venue to have this discussion. If the majority of the room feels like this is a conversation that we should have today, the second question you want to ask is this: do we have all the information needed to discuss this information today? If not, it will likely be a complete waste of time. However, if they do have the right information to have the conversation, the third question you want to ask is, do we have enough time to have this conversation today? If not, then it's likely a great candidate to schedule for a different day and time. However, if the room feels like there is enough time in the day to address this, then what you'll need to do as a facilitator is to modify the approach that you would put together to address their needs. Because after all, it's their workshop, not ours. So follow Cheryl's 3-step approach, and you can minimize the risk that you'll unnecessarily hijack the meeting. And if you get positive responses from all 3 of those questions, then you can be pretty certain that you've created an environment where your participants will have the productive conversation that they desire. Thank you.